To remove the existing strap, we have to do is pull it down fairly firmly, and then ease it up over, and then it comes off. So once we've got that, obviously take the fuel cap and we can start work on it. Next thing obviously I'm going to do is make sure that we've got the fuel cap really clean, because obviously we don't want any remnants of fuel left on it if we're going to get it near a heat gun. This one's diesel, so we've got a lower flash point anyway. So I'm just going to make sure that we've got rid of all the fuel by giving it a good wipe. Okay, and then for a bit of extra safety, I'm going to wrap the fuel cap in tin foil as a heat protection. That means that we should just be applying heat just to this, and the tin foil will keep the heat away from the fuel cap. What I've got here now is a short length of the 5mm heat shrink tubing. What I'm going to do is feed it into the end that's broken. Obviously you see here that one there, it's almost come off. So I'm going to leave that on because it just provides a point for it to melt onto and latch itself so the heat shrink doesn't fall off, and then feed the other end of the tubing in. Right, that's mated up on the centre, so I'm just going to centralise that through, so checking that we've got the join in the middle, and then we're ready to shrink it. Got the heat gun in place. The type of attachment that works best is the ones that curl over. I actually haven't got one of those with this heat gun. It's a fairly basic unit, so I've just fashioned one out of a little bit of a cake tray. It's fairly heavy duty aluminium. It'll do the job for this one. So just got to turn the heat gun on and then we're ready to go. Okay, that's now shrunk the tubing down. It's gripping on, and you can see that where the join is, it's gripping it quite firmly. Right, I've shrunk the first lot on with 5mm. I've now got a short length of 8mm heat shrink tubing, because that will go over the edge there. I'm just going to slide that down and put that on as a little bit of extra reinforcement, especially around the brake. So I'll get that going. We'll trim this on as well. Okay, that's shrunk on now, and that's just providing a little bit of extra support for it. Finally now we just need to reattach it. So I'll push it over the top. Bring it down, bring it on. Now we have the tether fully restored. As always, thank you for watching, and if you can like and subscribe, even better. Thank you for watching.